Hi, good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel Forward Zone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting to highlight value that contains certain input. Without further ado, let's look at our example here. In column H, we have reference that contains the order number as well as the first two characters or alphabet of the customer. So in order for us to better visualize the orders, we can find the order or highlight the order based on the specific character or numbers inside this reference. So I will show you how to do that. First, you have to highlight column H, the reference, and go to Home, go to Style. In Conditional Formatting, click on the drop down, go to Highlight Sales Rules, and go to Text that contains. So click this one. You can put anything in this column, in this box, to find in this column H. So in this case, I can put LU if I'm going for Lucas orders. So as you can see, it highlight the sales that contain LU. So if you're going to find another using another criteria, you can input either the order number or the customer. So in this case, I'm putting the order number and the highlighting. There's only one, or I can put the other order number from Jimmy. So I put JI. So it highlight all the orders from JI. As usual, you can select any color that you want. And after you have done, you just click OK. Thank you. That is all from me. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.